Today I'm going to talk about the most important topic, genetic biohacking. What is genetic biohacking? It refers to performing molecular genetics experiments outside approved laboratories by individuals having limited requisite scientific training. So I'm going to tell you about the most important motivations for genetic biohacking, accessibility and affordability of technologies associated with making changes in genetic material. Besides accessibility and affordability, advancement in technologies related to making changes in genetic material are also motivations behind biohacking. Furthermore, easy genome sequencing, availability of direct-to-consumer genetic testing, one can get information about all genetic material. People have initiated experiments outside approved and requisite laboratories. Certain rogue elements are even putting their efforts to change human genetic material, genetic biohacking. First, I've explained you the process of genetic biohacking. Now I'm going to talk about what motivates the genetic biohackers. Genetic biohackers, despite having limited knowledge relevant to the field, conceive their efforts in the garb of right-to-do science, right-to-do experiments on themselves through editing their or future generation genetic material. An existing thought by genetic hacker is also using technology as a means of self-care. Shaky belief in drug regulatory authorities. So here I'm going to share a quite scary story on genetic biohacking which appeared in the New York Times. As a teenager, Keone Gandel already was operating a cutting-edge research laboratory in his bedroom in Huntington Beach, California. While his friends were buying video games, he acquired more than a dozen pieces of equipment, a trans illuminator, a centrifuge, two thermocyclers, in pursuit of a hobby that once was the province of white-coated PhDs in institutional labs. People are also trying to implement biohacking to humans by self-injecting homemade genetic material for muscle growth, treating disease like HIV and herpes. Additional reading about genetic biohacking can be taken from the following link. Genetic biohacking is a major health risk that need to be controlled right away. Unconfirmed reports suggest that biohackers are interested to treat various disease conditions by themselves. This do-it-yourself trend is quite scary. A major public health issue requiring immediate attention of regulatory authorities. This video is a result of collaborative efforts by Dadaboy Institute of Higher Education, Program in Biosafety and Biosecurity, ScienceLiteracy.net Initiative, American Institute of Pakistan Studies, Inter-University Consortium for the Promotion of Social Sciences, Arts and Humanities. Let's secure every living on this earth through biosecurity.